Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and rewarding DIY project, building a metal birdhouse. If you're looking to add a touch of modern elegance to your garden while providing a safe haven for your feathered friends, then you've come to the right place. Metal birdhouses offer a unique blend of durability, style, and practicality. Unlike their wooden counterparts, metal birdhouses are resistant to rot, insects, and the elements, ensuring a long-lasting home for your local birds. They also add a sleek, contemporary look to any outdoor space, complementing both traditional and modern garden designs. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process of constructing a metal birdhouse, from gathering the necessary materials to the final installation. We'll be using readily available sheet metal, which you can often find at your local hardware store. Don't worry if you're not a seasoned DIY enthusiast, we'll break down each step into easy-to-follow instructions, making this project accessible to beginners. We'll cover essential techniques like cutting, shaping, and joining the metal, as well as tips for creating a weather-resistant and bird-friendly design. We'll also discuss different types of metal you can use, from galvanized steel for a rustic look to aluminum for a lighter, more modern feel. Beyond the basic construction, we'll explore ways to customize your birdhouse to make it truly unique. We'll share ideas for adding decorative elements, like a perch, a roof overhang, or even a small balcony. We'll also talk about painting or powder coating your birdhouse to match your garden decor or to provide a pop of color. And, importantly, we'll delve into the specifics of birdhouse placement and maintenance. Where should you hang your birdhouse for optimal occupancy? How often should you clean it out? We'll answer all these questions and more to ensure your birdhouse becomes a thriving habitat for your local avian population. Building a metal birdhouse is more than just a fun DIY project, it's a way to connect with nature and contribute to the well-being of your local ecosystem. By providing a safe and comfortable nesting site, you'll be attracting a variety of birds to your garden, bringing with them the joy of birdsong and the beauty of their presence. So, grab your tools, gather your materials, and let's get started on creating a stylish and functional metal birdhouse that both you and your feathered friends will love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future DIY projects and gardening tips. And as always, happy building!